If you need to do edge clamping in your shop, the BEC3 from Bessie is more than up to the task. And while it's labeled as light duty, there's nothing light about the work it can do, including the up to 300 pounds of clamping force. With its simple spindle design, you're able to adjust this clamp in 3 different ways, making sure that you can put pressure exactly where needed, including situations where there's offset clamping. If you're edge clamping sections that are parallel, rectangular, or square, these F-clamps are more than up for the job. Where these edge clamps shine is on curved work, and with its 2.5-inch throat depth, there's plenty of room not only for your edging material, but for your clamping cauls as well. Whenever you're clamping, it's a great idea to use cauls. These shop-made ones for the edge clamp are nothing more than 3/4-inch MDF with non-slip sandpaper on one side. The BEC3 has a 2.5-inch clamping capacity as well as a 2.5-inch throat depth. It features swivel heads on all 3 spindles as well as a sliding T-handle that lets you put them in close proximity. These 3-sided edge clamps from Bessie Tools are not only lightweight and economical, but they're simple in design. And when you need to put on edging, in cases like these, sometimes simple is what the job calls for, and these clamps, they fit right in.